Okay. Now this is a little niche topic, but it's Mumbai. It's land of cinema. So I thought this is an appropriate audience who understands this topic. The topic is you should only watch movies in the theater versus wait for it to come in the OTT.
Oh, beautiful. I'm theater guy. Theater. I'm very much theater.
Oh, we don't have to do this topic if you also agree.
I'm all for chilling at home and watching it.
Chilling at home.
I am also for chilling at home. I used to be like, hey, theater में जाते हैं, but now घर
Not
पे
at
बैठ
all.
के देखते हैं आराम से.
Ma'am.
मैं भी चिलिंग एट होम वाले में ही थी एक्चुअली.
लाइन पे आ गए ना
खत्म भाई. खत्म भाई.
Because you know when you're chilling
Chalo,
at
मैं
home and
अकेला जा
watching
रहा
it, you
हूँ
can eat like masala dosa, you can eat tandoori roti with chicken butter masala, whatever. At home you can do all of that
Hey, you
while
can't
watching
use
the movie.
previous rounds.
Yes.
Why?
हो गया भाई वो राउंड हो गया
But
भाई.
team decide नहीं हुआ है. हो गया भाई.
Wow.
I have to separate.
Call
these
back in.
bullies.
Pura format call back in. What is it
Okay, so
bullying?
you are not your team
I'm going to the theater.
theater, and you're anything. I think you're more watching at home.
चल मैं थिएटर वाला लेती हूँ भाई.
जाओ तो
Because I thought you're a big Bollywood.
I'm a big Bollywood fan. Yes, I'm theater only.
Okay. I'm surprised.
Violently theater side.
Just
Why?
take it from this when she said that वहाँ से.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, we'll start the round now.
Yeah.
Okay. No personal attacks.
No personal attacks.
Why?
Theater is better than your house. Personal attack.
That's objectively true. These guys are too good, man. These all
thank
both.
you.
But at my house, you don't need to pay $500 for popcorn. So
Hey, but I will have to pay $500 to order food
Give
at your
examples.
place.
I have gone to his house. He asked for $500. He's lying.
Hey, नहीं, this is not fair.
this is not fair.
350 में दिया था
Yes.
उसने.
That too without GST. Fucking nonsense. एक तो इतना लंबा है, इतना पॉपकॉर्न खाता है.
वो से senior citizens discount मिला है तुम्हें.
Oh,
Sorry, he
I wouldn't
started
take
it.
that. I wouldn't take
Yeah,
that.
I should
I
get
wouldn't
2
take
cards for this. Yes, 2 yellow cards. Yes.
थिएटर में जो वाइब होती है
हाँ.
और थिएटर्स प्रोवाइड एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
Okay.
Previous episode point here.
Yeah.
This is very famous. It's on
This is
it's on
previous
YouTube
episode.
already.
The silver screen.
Yeah, it's a very good point, but you can't read.
Employment I've said for something else.
You said.
That's so strange because employment main theaters ही provide
That's true.
करते
That's
हैं.
true.
That's
Ma'am, you said theater. Now, why did you say theater?
It's okay. You send us an email.
It's just that's the way the movie is meant to be watched.
Out with family, with friends.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
like part of our
Yeah.
culture.
Yeah, and addressing the food thing.
Oh,
When
yes.
you go to Insignia, the food is just outstanding.
Oh, this is brand
Spoken
work.
by
Is this-
seconds.
This is brand placement.
Kenny, I would just
Okay,
like to say.
may I?
Kenny, I would just
One
like to
more,
say.
one
Kenny, is this some surrogate marketing?
No, it's not. I swear. Ma'am,
would
what
just-
the hell? That's my number one complaint. That
Yes.
Insignia is so expensive. The food
It's
way
so
out.
Two, 3 points. First point, she said going out with friends and family. I'm sorry, ma'am, more options available. Because in movie, you can't even talk to family and friends.
Why
I'm
should
like
you
at
talk
home-
while watching a
Arey,
movie, bhai?
1 second. So I'm saying while you're at home, you can discuss if you want to.
But
It's an
वो तो
option
थिएटर
available.
में भी कर सकते हो.
Guys, if you all don't like your friends and family, I like my friends and family.
तो
I
फिर
want
घर
to
पे
hear their
movie क्यों
opinion.
देख रहा है?
My
खाना
friends
खाओ
are
उनके
not
साथ.
like. Yes. My
नहीं,
friends are not
भाई.
like
Okay,
them.
so if we go to watch a movie with our friends, we dislike them.
Dislike
apparently.
them,
That's what
bhai.
we
I
say.
just want-
अरे I like to
तो
do-
घर पे भी मूवी मत देख फिर खाना खाओ और
हाँ,
बात
yeah.
करना.
मैं बात करता हूँ
Movie
ना
क्यों चला रहा
क्योंकि
है?
मूवी के ऊपर बात करनी है ना.
These are the kind of people. These are the
Rowdy
kind of
के ऊपर बात
people who
करनी
say
है.
my life's a
Also,
movie.
My
ना,
life's a
भाई,
movie.
बाहर जा जा.
My life पे बात
Movie क्यों देखा?
अच्छा
Okay.
भाई.
Get into my ear.
Scenario: You're in the theater. Call आता है दादी माँ.
Yes.
Like she's drunk.
दादी माँ passed in her exams.
Yeah. So happy
Theater
for
में
that.
your phone will have been on silent. You won't even
That's
know. She'll be
true.
so sad. She'll be like, these fucking
It was on
bastards.
vibrate.
I took care of them their whole lives. They didn't
That's
even
true.
bother that I passed
Yeah.
my exams.
Yeah, that's true.
I would
घर
not.
पे you can let's pause it.
Yeah.
Oh, दादी माँ, great job. Algebra, wow.
What a save.
Very
You
nice.
know, one
very
second,
nice.
one
Great
second.
point.
Love
If-
you, all the
if
dadimas out
my-
there. Thank you.
One
I just
second.
thought
Because it's
Thank you.
etiquette. You should not have your phone in the
If
theater.
my dadima passed her exams, I wouldn't care and wait to first pause the movie. I'm not that selfish कि भाई मेरी movie ना miss
Correct.
हो जाए.
Correct.
इसके जब पहले pause कर देते हैं ऐसे.
going
अरे
to the
दादीमा
theater
जो
is
भी हो
better.
रहा है भाई मरे दादीमा
मिनट,
भाई
ma'am.
पहले pause कर देते हैं movie. मेरी
पे-
दादीमा
घर पे-
You can skip back and forth.
Yes.
It's like, thank God, Dadima,
I would like
could-
leave my house and run to my dadima.
That's right.
Oh,
Or
that's the
theater.
point.
Yes,
That's
I'm
the point.
saying that
Yeah.
movie फिर matter ही नहीं करती
This
है.
scene that you've described, where Dadima has passed the exam and we are stuck, it's so cinematic. I would like to watch it on the big screen.
Guys, we have to disband this bullies.
ऐसा होता है debate.
Yeah.
Imagine pausing while Dadima is getting. This is the movie now, and Dadima says, "I passed." This guy's like,
Yeah.
"Pip, let me get
Yeah,
Pepsi
yeah,
right
ऐसे ही
now."
उसको कॉल आया है दादी बोली बेटा बेटा एक मिनट दादी एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट
एक और बार,
क्या
एक और
था
बार
ये?
बोलो.
हम लोग
Oh,
एटलीस्ट दादीमा से बात कर सकते
हाँ,
हैं. थिएटर
तुम-
में नेटवर्क नहीं आएगा.
Firstly, I take Dadima to the theater with me. She's going to be there next to me only. You
How
are
will
not
she-
leaving her at home.
But how will
Kuruli.
she do her exams then?
अरे results के time. While writing
Sunday.
exams, you get your results.
Okay.
What's wrong with you people?
Incredible.
Please respect yourselves a little bit. Have some self-respect. What exam is this that while writing only results are coming out immediately? Where is the evaluation process?
It's a quick
This is a
exam.
scandal.
It's an online exam.
This is
Hello?
Vyapam scandal part 2.
Hello,
It's a
hello,
scandal.
sir. Are you the grandchild of so and so? Roll number 500 has not come. Do you know where she is? She's in the theater with you.
I can't believe these people are clapping at her. They forgot how exams work because Jose said something. They're like,
I can't believe.
It's like, oh, this is correct. I
Yeah.
got this correct.
It seems
can't
like
believe-
you are not just watching movies at home, you are studying also at home. आप homeschooled हो गया जो ये सब बातें बोल रहे हो.
Oh, looking down on homeschool.
Wow. I tell you, Kenny, I tell you, all these people who go to theater, classic privileged people
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay.
कुछ OTT में
Privilege.
700
मैं
rupees,
बस
15
से जाती हूँ
seconds.
मूवी देखने.
Yes.
तो
बस card, बस.
700 में पूरा महीना.
700 में पूरा
700
साल
में
निकल
पूरा
जाता है.
महीना.
पूरा साल निकल जाता है.
Free snacks.
Free snacks.
भैया चंदन के 2 टिकट मिलेंगे
I
क्या?
go 10 a.m. Tuesday morning. I clean the theater after the movie is over. I eat the popcorn
I
under
have
the
seen
chair.
him.
Okay, so
Privileged.
yes.
This is my life, goddammit.
I can't believe for 10 minutes the bit about Dadima writing exam. It's a miracle it lasted for this long.
Yeah,
Finally, I'm glad it's moved on from Dadima writing
Also, by the way, the exam, since we didn't define it, she passed her skydiving exam.
Oh,
She is an
nice.
instructor now.
But I can't. I'm just
After
regarding
500
Dadima
jumps,
passing. The logistics had so
Oh
much
my God.
joke potential is mind-boggling.
I'm just depressed.
It's insane. It's so impressive what you guys do. Just want to take an appreciation for both
Thank
of
you,
you
yeah.
for
Thank you so
dissecting that joke. Beating that joke just like that grandmother off the bungee jump. Okay, so guys, do we have points about theater? Oh,
Yeah.
I was trying to make them.
sorry.
I have a point
Just
after
quick
you.
summary.
Go for it.
Quick
sir.
summary. First is it's a great platform because for 700, 1500, whatever, throughout the year you can watch movies, shows, everything. So I think that is the best thing.
that's
First,
not factually correct.
So,
अरे factually incorrect नहीं है. Give examples.
I will give you 3.
14.99 Amazon Prime.
I will give you 3.
वही चाहिए
ना
तू.
भाई सुन ले
अगर
एक बार.
थिएटर में लोग जाते ना
जा
तो
तू
स्टार ही नहीं
भाई.
बनी होती
I'll
आज.
Give. I
घर
will
पे
give you
बैठ के
5.
इन्होंने तुझे स्टार बनाया है. घर पे बैठ के इन्होंने तुझे स्टार बनाया है. Only looking at these Bollywood people.
I repeat.
Commoners like us have become
I
stars
repeat,
because they
sorry,
stayed
sir.
home
तू
and watched.
वहाँ से आई है तू. I freaked out. What the hell he's talking about?
कहाँ से आई हूँ?
Comic
स्टार
Sans. This
उसके
is
लिए
an
बनी है.
OTT.
भूल गई.
It's an OTT
Oh my
show.
God. Classic silver screen. Oh my god.
I was like, what is sort of going on?
What is this
about?
arrogance, dude?
But it's true.
Ja, bhai.
Okay, one second. If they put
I am
Comic Con
making
on
my
the big
next
screen-
point. I already made my point.
Nahin,
You're
nahin,
lost. Now
nahin.
don't.
Point.
When it
After
comes
this
to you,
point.
then
Listen,
talk. No.
Okay.
This is the thing. One second. Theater mein.
When will it come?
Theater mein you interrupt like this.
When will it come?
Theater mein you interrupt like this.
Tell me now only when is it coming?
One sec. That is true. Comic Stand, TV, which is also, it's OTT, television. Comic Stand,
Comics and comics.
Internet,
of all,
OTT.
I'm better viewed on the big screen, I feel. And
That's why there's nothing
it's
of you
still
on the big screen.
aspirational. It's still aspirational. I'm still speaking. One second.
There's nothing
One
of you on the big
second.
screen.
It's
Now why
an
what happened?
aspirational thing.
No,
Like
we
if
also
Comic
just
Stand
do
was
this.
on the big screen, you would say no. What?
We'll just
If
keep
Comic
talking
Stand
about
was
it.
on
No,
the big
he's right.
screen.
वो छोटा स्क्रीन पे फिट भी नहीं होता है.
Hey, वही बोल रहा हूँ
मैं
मैं.
बताऊँ
Hey,
एक
what
बात
is this?
बताती हूँ.
This? Wait, okay.
Okay, he said
एक
give
बात.
3 examples. I'll give you 3 examples.
No, that was something else. ये तो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं Kenny.
Interstellar, The Dark Knight. Would you watch those on your tiny little phone screen at
Never,
home,
never,
or on
never,
the big
never.
screen as Nolan intended it?
Nolan
huh?
intended it.
Okay,
The way
Nolan,
it's meant to be
relax.
watched.
एक मिनट.
And by the way, 700 रुपए में नहीं होता है. I will tell you why this is factually wrong. Because सारी movies एक platform पे नहीं आती है. आप पहले एक platform का दो, फिर 6 और platforms का दो,
Okay,
और
okay.
फिर उस platform पे
ताली मत
extra
बजाओ.
दो
रुक जाओ,
दूसरे
तुम लोग.
platform के लिए.
And the moment
एक
you're ready to
second.
watch
As opposed to, एक second. As opposed to when you go to theater once and you watch all the movies, or what?
No,
What? Dumb. Fucking dumb.
you watch through the
pass आता
night.
है.
You're supposed to watch one
Pass
movie
आता
at a
है
time.
भाई.
Yeah, so this is the
You're
thing.
supposed to watch one
Theater
movie at a
का
time.
pass
Why
आता
does
है.
he doesn't know maths or logic?
Okay.
I'll tell you that's the
Theater
problem.
का
Okay, I have an
pass
actual
आता
point.
है.
Last point.
I have a real point. but
Last
yes,
point,
yes,
last
so
point.
Yes.
भाई time waste कर रहे हैं भाई हम. Okay.
Shall I make last point and then you guys last point. If you have a point.
A movie is meant to be a special experience. You're not
Yes.
meant to just sit on your sofa, watch 10 movies back to back and not appreciate the art form. One movie, then you discuss with your friends. While watching, don't talk. All this pause. Hey, what do you think of this shot? Shut up.
Yes.
Just watch. Director intended it to be watched through. You're not supposed to pause the movie. Take it in. Share it with your friends. It's a special occasion. Step out of
Yes,
home.
yes.
Don't just sit at home all the time.
Yeah, are you anti-social or what?
Yeah.
Go live with the community.
Okay.
यार community feeling से आप theaters में जाते हो promoting peace.
We are meant to be in
Yes,
community.
peace. Watching Dhurandhar promotes peace. Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god. Saurav has gone for it. Okay. Saurav,
See, I, as usual, would like to speak for the common man, okay? The entire
Oh, you're
point
speaking
is...
for me or what?
No, you're common woman. Okay?
The common man doesn't love going to the cinema. That's their favorite thing ever.
Let him speak.
Thank you. Speaking for the common
ये
man.
CNN का माइक है, ये ANI का.
Okay.
बाप रे, नहीं ये ETV का नहीं चाहिए.
I would just like to...
That was like the press conference type thing.
please let him speak a meme reference.
Thank you.
Please let him speak a meme reference.
I don't
Yeah.
know, bro. I just हो सकता है.
Yeah.
नहीं अर्नब से let him speak. Let me speak.
Oh yeah. Let me speak. Correct.
Sorry, that's the guest.
That's true. The guest.
See, I was just trying to say, as a common man,
Yes.
some people don't have the privilege of going every time to watch a movie in the theater and all. Also, what are these psychos? Some movies you want to pause and discuss. तीसमार खान में तुम क्या इतना attention पे कर रहे हो?
हाँ, तो वही
Just
सब
enjoy,
नहीं
na.
है।
Everything is not interstellar and all of that.
I think the bigger issue is your taste in movies right now. वो fix करते हैं.
Oh, judging. See, I'm speaking of common man. People can enjoy anything. Don't
Common
listen to all this
man.
elitist shit.
If
Okay?
common man
Looking down
cannot
on
go
us.
to
Looking
theater,
down as
they cannot
clearly.
afford
Bol, और बोल.
Netflix subscription.
So Netflix is not the only OTT.
Every day.
No. To be
Again
fair,
spoken like an
वो
elitist.
free में मिलता है some phone
OTT
charges.
में पैसा वसूल हो
MX
जाता
player
है.
देख भाई तू.
Oh, we are
तो गेटी
including.
में 50 रुपए के टिकट में भी देख सकते हैं भाई.
Yeah, that's also true. Okay, guys, I think we should close it because I want the friendships
Why?
to remain after the show. But excellent at this level of passion I've seen seldom in my bedroom.
Sir, एक
But this level of passion.
Whoa, where can we see this on the big screen or on the small screen?
I hope this is coming to OTT.
One point.
I would like to pause and discuss.
Yeah.
I would like to pause and give
Wow.
Kenny some tips.
Kenny का sex life
Yes.
क्या है?
Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe.
Marriage.
This is red card level.
Marriage Story 2.
Cheap.
Marriage Story 2. This time it's real.
Okay, Shamik also gets okay,
Sir,
guys.
sir, we are not done. घर पे आप एक मूवी 10 बार देख सकते हो. I'm not saying that
If
I have
they are
done
not
this.
done, even we
But
are not
200 रुपए में 200 रुपए में you can watch the same film 10 times.
That's true.
And
That's
then
true.
you can share it with your family also. Excuse me, you want to watch this film? जल्दी आओ इधर आओ. पैसा वसूल.
Yeah. So
200 में
if she's writing her exam, she can finish her exam.
finish.
And watch
Fine,
it after
skydiving
that.
you can watch.
Yeah.
That's true.
Can you watch?
That's true.
You don't
Theater
get
में
Wi-Fi
pause
at
नहीं
that
कर
level.
सकते हो.
भाई Wi-Fi
Okay.
नहीं होता है ऊपर, डेटा नहीं चलता है. कुछ भी बोल रहा है भाई.
Brother,
डाउनलोड करके स्काईडाइव कर रहे हो तुम लोग. कैसे एड़े लोग हैं भाई. Imagine downloading a movie before your skydive भाई. क्या
नहीं
भाई.
नहीं, तो प्लेन में भी बिग स्क्रीन डलवाना अपना.
L bro, L big
प्लेन
L.
में क्यों
It's a
देखता है?
long dive.
प्लेन में तो बिग
Oh, I
स्क्रीन
have
डाल के
skydive
देख.
today. Let me
Oh my
download
God.
T-Smart Khan first. Because I don't want it to be boring on the way down.
Yes.
Okay guys, who skydives as a second screen experience भाई?
Okay.
Amazing, amazing.
Okay, I'm closing this round.
Pause नहीं कर सकते theater.
बहुत नहीं, अरे वो इसका तो शामिल का तो ऐसे प्लेन भी वो WTC में चालू हो लो, यहाँ पे बिग स्क्रीन होता तो मजा आता मेरे को ऐसा है.
Okay, let's close
आता
this.
तो मजा भाई.
Can we do voting? Okay. Okay, let's vote. Team big screen, make some noise.
Germs. Oh, sorry. So many germs.
Team OTDs, make some noise. I want friendships to last, so I will say this is also a tie. All teams.
Hey, till clear, you'll get bored at
एक
the
मिनट
end.
No,
इसको
both-
pause करके
Are you
check करना
crazy?
वापस whether it was a tie.
Yes.
It was a very much a tie भाई.
Guys,
क्या
YouTube
बोल
is
रहे हो?
free.
और
YouTube
ये
is free.
तेरा घर नहीं है.
Okay.
Stage is my habitat, okay?
It's time for simple. It's time for simple.